We're now going to perform the daily clean down procedure. First of all, we're going to need our PPE, which is gloves and goggles. We're going to open up the unit by using our key card. And now the unit will open. Now that we're in the unit, we need to get into the program mode. To do that, we're going to tap on the top where the time is 3 times. Your first message will come up. Do you want to perform the selected cleaning sequence? We are going to say OK. Step 1 will be to open the front door and empty out any of our grounds. The front drawer comes out and down. And we discard of any ground coffee from the end of the day. Once we've removed all of our grounds, we can pop the ground drawer back into our machine. It will now ask you if you're ready to continue the daily clean. Okay. Step 2 is to insert our tablet. So I have our tablet here. We open the top flap on the machine and we pop in our cleaning tablet. Close the flap back down and press OK to begin the cleaning sequence. We're now on to step 3. We're going to remove our milk container. Pull the drawer out. Open up the unit. Take the spouts and place them on top and remove your milk containers. Once you've removed your milk containers, please discard of any milk you have left and clean in warm soapy water and then rinse and leave to dry. Step 4 will be to get our cleaning container and we're going to dose in a level of our milk cleaning solution. Put both the milk tubes back in to that cleaning solution. And now we're ready to move on to the next stage. We're going to press OK on the screen. The water will now flow into our milk cleaning solution and dilute the milk cleaning solution and clean through our milk tubes. Once you've completed the 4th step, the machine will start to put itself into a standby mode and give you a countdown of 30 seconds. We're going to do the final step, which is to remove the tubes and place them into our container. Once your machine is safely in standby mode, we can now remove our spouts. To do this, we're going to push in and down. We must now detach the spouts by pulling the toggle outwards on both sides to remove. Gently remove any espresso and milk with the small brush set. This must be soaked overnight in your milk cleaning solution and warm water. The final job on our daily clean will be to clean out our milk fridge. Take a sanitised clean cloth and wipe around the outside. Once complete, fridge can go back. We are now going to run through your weekly clean down steps. You should have already followed your daily clean down steps. These are the additional elements involved. Firstly, we're going to remove our hoppers. We need to pull the gate towards us to make sure that no coffee is going to come out. Lift the hoppers off the top of the machines. The beans can be stored in an airtight container overnight whilst we clean the hoppers. The hoppers need to be cleaned with a damp cloth and then wiped thoroughly with dry paper towel. Now that we've cleaned our hoppers, we can move on to clean our chocolate hopper. Firstly, we need to turn the module off. We can now remove the hopper safely by pulling the gate towards us and lift off the chocolate hopper. Empty any chocolate into a container. We're then going to immerse the chocolate hopper in warm soapy water, rinse clean in cold water, and then leave it to air dry. We are now going to release the locking lever by pulling down. We then we'll take the module apart. Pull towards you, and the cog will come apart. This also needs to be immersed in warm soapy water, then rinsed in cold water and left to air dry. Finally, we're going to clean with wet paper cloth and then clean down with dry paper towel. We're now going to reassemble the chocolate components. Line it back up, and then we're going to lock it back in place, and then reassert your hopper back on top, making sure the back lines up with the black cog at the back. Back in position, make sure that you lock the hopper back in with the gate, and remember to turn the LED light back on. We have now completed the weekly clean down. We're going to shut the door, and you'll see an error message displayed. This is due to the machine being in standby mode. Please see the next video on start of day setup.